Convert Unix time to readable date in Pandas Dataframe. I have a data frame with Unix times and prices in it. I want to convert the index column so that it shows in human readable dates. So for instance, I have date as 134-963-3705 in the index column, but I'd want it to show as October 7th, 2012, or at least October 7th, 2012 18 column 15. For some context, here's the code I'm working with and what I've tried already. As you can see, I'm using df.date equals df.date.apply, lambda d column date time dot strip time, d, %y dash %m dash %d, here which doesn't work since I'm working with integers, not strings. I think I need to use datetime.date from timestamp, but I'm not quite sure how to apply this to the whole of df.date. Thanks.
These appear to be seconds since epoch.
If you try using and receive an error, pandas.slib.outofbounds cannot convert input with unit s. This means the date underscore field is not specified in seconds. In my case, it was milliseconds, epoch time. The conversion worked using below.
Assuming we imported pandas as PD and df is our data frame. Works for me.
Alternatively, by changing a line of the above code, it should also work.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.